Shopashiakwa no okamu uchiwa nishiru. How Bald Eagle became leader of all birds. Years ago, birds were like people. They walked around and they could talk just like humans. The only difference from humans was that birds could fly. These birds admired the humans because everything in their villages always went smoothly. The birds began to notice that things did not seem to go so smoothly in their villages. They wondered why. One day, all of the birds decided to hold a council meeting. The birds came from far away. Muhu, who was known to be very wise, began the meeting.
On behalf of all bird kind, I thank you for coming to this meeting. As you know, life has been tough.
Yeah, the humans don't have it so bad. Things seem to go smoothly for them. What do they have that we don't?
Well, for one thing, the Indian children have their parents. They all have a chief and holy men, and above all, a great spirit. Everybody has someone to follow, and it seems to work. What we need is a strong and faithful leader.
No, Unahuchiva, all the birds agree. Aha! Aha! That's right. That is a good idea.
Our leader should be strong and wise. How are we going to decide who it should be?
I think we should choose Eagle as our leader.
Well, the leader should be a good hunter and a very swift flyer. I think Nakai would be a good leader.
No, Unahuchiva. All the birds started talking.
Pashiakwa is the best. Nakai is.
I vote for Pashiakwa.
Oh, what do you know?
Nahut the owl says.
Both Pashiakwa and Nakai are very fine birds, I'm sure. But we still have a problem. We must choose between the two. Does any bird have any idea as to how we're supposed to make this choice?
I propose a contest of skill and strength.
Oh, a contest.
Yeah, a contest. That sounds good.
Uh-huh. Let's have a contest. All right, a contest it is. Both Nakai and Pashiakwa shall have to prove themselves in a flight. The one that can fly the highest shall be our leader. Pashiakwa and Nakai, you both have 5 days to prepare yourselves for this contest. In 5 days, we shall meet here again and hold the contest to determine just who shall be our leader.
Well, after the meeting broke up, the two chosen birds began preparing themselves. They both knew they had to be physically as well as mentally fit in order to complete the appointed task. Pashiakwa flapping his wing. I must exercise my wings and make them stronger. They must carry me higher than I've ever gone before. Tomorrow I shall fast and ask the Great Spirit to help me do my best. Nakai hopping up and down. I will be strong with back muscles if I'm gonna fly my highest. I will practice every day so I can win. Both birds practiced practiced flapping their wings and jumping up and down, and they traveled in circles, bending at the knees to warm up. The sun and the moon passed 5 times. Finally, the day of the contest arrived, and both contestants were ready. All the birds gathered around as the two took their places.
The contest to determine who will be our leader will now begin. Are the contestants ready?
Yes!
Aha! We are ready!
Mahout says,
Nakai, you will go first.
so Nakai took off. Up he flew, higher and higher, until he was almost out of sight. Yuhubiuchi says,
Oh, he's way up there.
Hidagagai says,
Yeah, you could barely see him. He's starting to circle.
Atsarana, boy, that's gonna be hard to beat. Here comes Nakai, who's starting to descend. And Nakai circled several times as they slowly descended back to Earth. No, and the Chiba are cheering and clapping. Woo! Nakai! Woo!
Well, that was a good flight, Nakai. You would make a good leader, but Barshia Quo must take his turn. Barshia Quo, get ready!
Flew Barcia Quo to try and beat the magnificent flight of Nakai. Up he flew, higher and higher, until he was almost out of sight. Kuidagakai says,
Wow, he's way up there. And he's still going. I'm not even sure I see him anymore.
Savannah says, I don't see him. He's flown so high, he's out of sight. Barcia Quo flew up and out of sight. He began circling as he descended back to Earth. He finally landed in front of the cheering crowd. All the birds came up to cheer and whistle and congratulating him.
Well, that was quite a flight. And for showing us that you have mastered the art of flying, you, Barshia Quo, are now our leader. As for you, Nakai, you are still very important to us. Don't feel left out.
And from that day on, Barcia Quo had become more than just a leader for the birds. He was also used in Indian ceremonies, rituals, and gatherings. He has even been chosen as the national bird of the United States of America.
Barshia Quo, Muhu no Wasa, Muahu, Utiva, 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 Barshia Quo, Muhu.